Established in the year 1994, REI Agro Limited is the world's largest basmati processing company. Backed by a compelling vision of bringing the Royal Indian flavor to the international platform, REI Agro consolidated the huge fragmented basmati rice industry with sheer quality in processing and integrity in operations.
The company's main business is basmati rice. In fact, we have fallen in love with basmati rice, and we make the best basmati rice for the globe to eat. We also have a small wind farm business, but our focus remains in basmati rice.
Its integrated business model, clubbed with latest technology, has over the time established the company as the best in the industry. With the company's processing units situated in the basmati growing belt of northern India, REI Agro boasts of its basmati rice processing capacity of more than 8 million TPA at Bawal, Haryana. To cater to the world market, the company is modernizing its setup and is targeting a total processing capacity of over 1 million TPA in aggregate. This expansion will redefine the operational efficiency, quality production, lower breakages, negligible losses and an unparalleled basmati rice quality. REI Agro also enjoys a strong cordial relationship with paddy suppliers and has not only earned the status of preferred buyer but also as one of the largest paddy purchasers in the country. The rice paddy auctioned by farmers at auction yards or mandis goes for maturing, where the longer storage adds to the overall rice quality, keeping its essence intact. The matured paddy is processed through cleaning, dehusking, whitening and grading on state-of-the-art machines before being packed as final rice for consumption. The company follows an efficient distribution setup with a strong network of over 500 distributors pan-India. REI Agro is a dominant player in modern trade and a key supplier for leading retail chains in the domestic market like Reliance Retail, More, Hariyali Kisan Bazaar and Walmart to name a few. REI Agro focuses on quality and is an ISO 22000 certified company. To add to its distribution strength and to come closer to the consumer, REI Agro also operates 630 franchisee stores with concentration in the north and the eastern parts of the country. REI Agro is a dominant player in the global market and exports to countries like USA, UK and GCC countries like Saudi Arabia, UAE and Kuwait. Today, the company commands a whopping 22% share of the world's basmati market.
REI is a global leader in basmati rice. We have built an organization that thrives on innovation. So what if no one has done it before? If we have the conviction, we'll do it and we'll do it right. No wonder we are the global leaders in terms of market share, quality and infrastructure in basmati rice.
The diversified presence gives the company a cutting-edge advantage, enabling it to procure the best quality basmati paddy at the most competitive prices. In return, the company uses all its available resources to further lower the pricing for its clients by reducing its overall cost of production. Integrated operations, right from procurement of paddy, maturing, processing, packaging, branding and distribution, provide REI Agro a vertically integrated platform that enables the company to earn improved margins by minimizing cost on account of process losses. Keeping a focus on establishing brand with margin expansion, REI Agro has increased the spend in brand building exercises and invested in media that has led to higher sale and market share in the branded segment for the company. Superior growth with respect to industry has enabled the company to deliver strong revenue growth of 40% CAGR over the last 5 years, with strong 21% EBITDA margins. Today, REI is India's leading food major and is listed in Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange, London Stock Exchange and Singapore Stock Exchange. Today, the shareholding of promoters is 48%, FIIs 44%, and public has got 8% of its shares. Over the years, REI Agro has set benchmarks for others to follow, with an impressive list of milestones. In 1993-94, REI Agro set up its initial public offer and listing. In 1996-98, the company did backward integration and started its rice milling unit. In 2003-2004, REI became the largest processor of basmati rice in the world, with a capacity of approximately 368,000 MTPA. In 2004-2005, the company infused capital via FCCB and GDR issue. In 2007-2008, there was a major capacity expansion through leased unit at Punjab to over 900,000 MTPA, expansion of the wind farm capacity to 46.1 megawatt, and demerger of retail division to form REI 610 Retail. 2009-2010 saw another major capital infusion, FCCB issue of $105 million and QIP of $37.5 million. In 2010-2011, a major capacity expansion phasing out all leased units and expanding the capacity to over 1 million MTPA and rights issue of 12,450 million rupees. REI stands to rule the global market with pure passion running across its veins. The company is proud to invite one and all to be a part of this ever-growing firm that has retold the Indian basmati story to the world in its own compelling manner. The victory of REI Agro lies in the respect garnered from its associates and partners, and in its ability to keep expanding its vision in size manifold.